G'day guys, it's Donny's Hot Tip here, and don't forget to subscribe for your 10 years of good luck. Okay guys, today we're learning how to correctly install a USB device. Now we've all tried to plug something in before and it just doesn't go, and we're trying to wiggle it and we're thinking what the hell's going on. Well, today I'm going to show you how you can put it in first time, every time, perfect. Okay, so as you can see on the top of this one, see how you can see those holes, and the light goes all the way through. Just give it time to focus so you guys can actually see that correctly. But there you go. See those holes there? You can see straight through there, where this one here, it's all blocked off, right? So what you want to do, those clear holes there at the top there, that goes at the top, and that bit there that's blocked off, that's bottom. So top, bottom. Okay, so now you just put it in. Now you're knowing that knowledge, I'll just show you that it is correct. So, top hole's in, push it in, boom. First time, every time. Take it out, and there you go. Look at that, guys. First time, every time. No troubles, no dramas. That's Donny's Hot Tip. We'll see you on the next one. Comment down below anything you'd like me to do, and I'll make it happen. Alright guys, bye.